So ngayon, nag-air fryer, kaya napapili rin ako ng isa. Yun ang i-unboxing natin ngayon. So excited! Let's go!
Guys, ito guys is 2,999 pesos lang.
Wala pa. Here's the memo. Let's do my nose later on. Oh my God! Ang ganda niya. Oh, that's so pretty. So, kailangan kong tumayo para ilabas tong air fryer ko. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God! It's so heavy. So, ibalik muna natin. Oh my God, guys! Look at that! Look at that! It's so nice and looks so elegant. See? May kulay siya ng damit ko, pero mas darker yung damit ko. Hold on guys, isara ko lang muna to. So, ang sabi dito guys, dito sa features niya is 3.2 liters yung capacity nito. And then, 1 to 30 minutes cooking time setting siya. Okay? And of course, yung voltage niya is 230 volts, which is, hindi siya masyadong naka-consume ng kuryente. So, mababa lang. So excited to use it. And then, didemo ko ngayon kung paano siya, and I'll show you kung ano itong mga nandito sa air fryer. So this one guys is the timer. Ayan. So dito mo set kung gusto mo ng 10 minutes lang natin yung ano mo, yung niluluto mo, and then this one is the temperature. So ayan. And then guys, meron ito yung plastic na ano, ipupush mo lang to para ma-open yung pan dito sa loob. Ayan. So, pag push mo na ganyan, sabay hatak. And then, there you go! Charan! So pretty. And that's tinatawag nila na ano, non-slip base. Ito yung pinaka-strainer niya sa loob. And then guys, kung paano siya tanggalin, itong strainer na to, i-push nyo lang to. Ang purpose nito, parang malinisan mo din yung nasa loob nito. Strainer. And then, pag ibabalik mo na siya, guys, i-press mo ulit to para magla-lock in siya dito sa pinaka-base niya. Excited to use it, guys. Ang ganda niya, promise. This one. And this one, guys, ito ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano to. Dito magagaling yung magsa-circulate na heat para maluto yung food. So, it's amazing, right? Kasi yung heat lang yung magluluto doon sa food mo. Diba? Very high heat. Kaya napabili na rin kami na ito. So, kapag ibabalik mo na siya, push, ayan. There you go. Okay na siya. It's a recently developed kitchen appliance that claims to help you cook food in a healthier way. It is a device that cooks food using hot air and a little to no oil. Diba? Amazing! Product na ito, diba? Whereas deep frying requires a lot of oil and hot temperature, the air fryer simply requires hot air to be circulated at rapid speed to cook food. Diba? So, yung air lang talaga yung magluluto doon sa food na to pag ito yung gamit mo. And of course guys, at kahit na love natin ang mga deep fried food, it is also as well-known fact that having too much is bad for your health. For course. Kasi sobrang mantika, diba? Kaya, bad talaga sa health yun. And of course, ito yung advantage naman ng my fryer. So, what makes air fryer a good one? And first is yung safety. And each models comes with a manual which explains how to use it or to work the device and share tips on how to use this one properly. And it also reduces watts and calories. One of the main reasons kung bakit nagiging popular ang air fryer is because of its ability to reduce the fat and calorie of the food. And also, this only require a little to no oil. Ilalagay lang yung food sa cooking basket, just like what I mentioned earlier, this one, yung basket dito. And then, i-adjust mo lang yung timer and then yung temperature and let it work na. And it's magic. So, maghihintay ka lang din ng timer ng and then, there you go, your food is cooked na. Ganon. And of course, it is easy to clean as well. Air fryers are some of the easiest kitchen appliances to clean. Meron din silang detachable na cooking basket and which you can clean separately. Ang loob at labas niya is so easy to clean since hindi naman siya talaga ginagamitan ng oil. And of course, the versatility and multiple uses of the fryer. Air fryers tend to be pricey, not just because of its technology, but also kasi ang daming option na pwedeng gamitin or pwedeng mailuto dito sa fryer. Pwede mo kasing gamitin this product as air frying, tapos mag-baking, grilling, and also roasting. You know, I love roasts. Yung sa roast na chicken, gano'n. So, very excited. I'm so excited to try it, guys. So, ipapakita ko sa next video kung paano magluto dito. Diba? I love it. That's it for today, guys. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, please don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified on my future videos.